Hi, so this is my submission for the skill test in which we were supposed to create a React contacts app. So this is my submission for that. So we are using a dummy API, like it gives us some dummy response JSON placeholder. So we are using it to populate our front end. So I have used multiple different methods. So this update details method is to update any contact. So I'm making a dummy call to the backend. It won't give me a response, but I'm just making a dummy call to that and updating the contacts list. So this delete contact is used, like this method is being used to delete any contact. We have an option to delete any contact. This change input is for like we have an option to add a new contact. So this change input method is used to handle the input change whenever the user is typing any details for the contact. And the submit form method is handling the whenever we are clicking on submit button for any new contact. So the submit form method is handling that. And this is my JSX. Here I am rendering another component that is called contact, and this is a loader component. Okay. So this is my contact component. Similarly, like we were using in contacts list to handle the input change. Similarly, we are using it here also. Like we have an option to edit any contact. So that is why we need this method here. This cancel edit is to like whenever assume that a user has clicked on edit contact, but he doesn't like later he does not want to edit that contact. He can click on cancel. So this method is handling that. And this update contact is like just getting the response and updating in real time from this contacts list app. Okay, and this is the j6 for it. Now I'll show you the functionality here. So I'll just refresh it. Yeah, so this is the main page. Here we see different contacts here. We have the multiple options, like we have a add contact option here. We have an option to edit this contact, and we have an option to delete this contact. So first I'll show you the editing option. Like when I click on edit, I get a form here. Now I can edit any contact here. Okay, and when I click on update, I get a loader and I get a toast notification that the contact is updated successfully, and I can see that my updated contact is visible here. And there is another option. When I click on edit, I don't want to edit this contact anymore, so I can click on cancel. Now the form has been closed and I cannot edit this contact anymore. We have another option here of deleting any contact. When I click on delete, I get a loader and I get a toast notification that the contact has been deleted successfully, and I can see that the contact is no more here. Okay, and I have another functionality here to add any contact. If I type any name here and I fill it and I click on add contact, now I can see that the new contact has been added. I click on edit and I edit my name here and I click on update. So my contact has been updated. And in addition to this, this whole application is fully responsive. I can show you that, like, it's fully responsive. Yeah. So this was my submission. Yeah. Thank you.